Hello friends, hello. I'm Arslan, and here at Trading Robot, I will answer a common question: how to activate and purchase the robots. First, go to the Trading Robot website. The site loads automatically. Purchase via bank gateway or cheaper Tether. Tether offers a 10% discount and 5 extra free days. On the site, see the products. We offer 2 courses and 8 robots, includes automated, semi-automated, and Telegram bots. Our new VIP product includes all with 4 trading devices and 2 semi-automated ones. You can make purchases in 2 ways. One is through the bank gateway and the other is through Tether, which is a cheaper option. When you buy using Tether, you get a 10% discount and 5 extra free days. On the site, you'll see products: 2 educational courses and 8 trading robots. There are fully automated robots, semi-automated ones, and Telegram bots. Our new VIP product includes all products: 4 trading devices, 2 semi-automated ones, and 2 courses. 2 educational courses and 8 trading robots are available, including fully automated, semi-automated, and Telegram bots. The VIP product includes 4 trading devices, 2 semi-automated ones, and 2 courses. The VIP package offers all trading robots, featuring bank and millionaire strategies, Team 45, Ichimoku, Paris, Tesla, and Tokyo strategies. You'll have access to all of this for a month. We have a special offer for this total package. It has 2 telegrams and 2 periods, meaning everything you see on this page is inside. The VIP package includes all trading robots: Bank, Millionaire, Team 45, Ichimoku, Paris, Tesla, and Tokyo strategies. Test them for a month. Ideal for those wanting all robots to use together or find the best fit. Special offer: 32 million tomans for a month, now just 9,339. Visit any product page to purchase. View descriptions, educational videos, and functionality. Training by Idris, whose strategies are key. Customer satisfaction is a priority, with a video available. For trading assistance, choose a 1-month, 3-month, 6-month, or annual subscription. Longer subscriptions offer better deals. A month is 230,000 tomans. Annually, it's 2,300,000 tomans, about 15 million tomans. You can purchase desired products. Descriptions, videos, and usage are shown. Note: training is by Idris, and his investment strategies are significant. Customer satisfaction is key. A purchase guide video is included. For trading assistance, choose a 1, 3, 6-month, or annual subscription. Longer subscriptions offer better deals. 1 month is 230,000 tomans. Annual is 2,300,000 tomans, totaling 15 million tomans. Longer subscriptions are more cost-effective. Add your chosen subscription to the cart. For regular purchases, choose a 1-month, 3-month, 6-month, or annual subscription. Longer subscriptions offer better deals. A 1-month subscription is 230,000 tomans, and an annual one is 2,300,000 tomans, totaling about 15 million tomans. Longer subscriptions are more cost-effective. Select a subscription and add it to your cart. You'll need to watch the training and read the terms. Enter your TradingView ID. Find your TradingView ID on your phone or laptop. Go to the top left corner to see it. Enter it as shown. My ID looks like this. Get it. But now, to add each specific subscription you choose to your cart. Here, complete training and read terms. Enter your TradingView ID. Find it on your phone or laptop. Go to top left corner to see it. Enter what it says. This account will access the robot. Enter the one you want to grant access. Confirm. If unsure how to create a TradingView account, leave blank. Post-purchase, support can help create your account. And get ID. I made a tutorial video. I selected a 6-month strategy. Price is listed with description. This account will get robot access, so enter and confirm the desired account here. If unsure about creating a TradingView account, leave it blank. After purchase, support can help with account creation and ID. I've made a tutorial video on this. I've chosen a 6-month strategy. The price and description are listed. I'll click the order level, enter my first and last name, mobile number, and email. The email is optional. Add any notes here. There's a section for a discount code. Enter and apply any special or specific discount code received. I'll click final order submission, and payment gateways will appear. Choose a gateway to proceed with payment. I'm carefully clicking on the order level and entering my first name and then my last name. I'm also entering my mobile number and email. The email field is not mandatory. If you have any notes, you can add them here. There's also a section for a discount code. If you received a special discount code during the festival or have a specific discount code, you can enter it here and apply it. I'm clicking on the final order submission, and the payment gateways will appear. You can choose one of the gateways to proceed with the payment. So, are we entering the secure bank gateway? There's the regular online payment method. With my VPN on, it's slow, so turn it off for smoother payments. Due to weak internet here, after turning off the VPN, the payment gateway appears. Click it, complete the payment, and you're done. This is one purchase method. Another is buying with Tether and digital currency, which is 10% cheaper and includes 5 bonus days. For example, a 1-month subscription for Tesla activates for 30 days, but we usually give 31 days for learning. In this case, you get 36 days. All product pages have similar USDT purchase info at the bottom. Now this is one method of purchase. We have another method as well. What's the second method? In this case, you buy with Tether and digital currency. This way it will be 10% cheaper for you, and you also get 5 days as a gift. For example, if you buy a 1-month subscription for any of these robots, let's say this time we go for Tesla, it will be activated for you for 30 days. Usually we activate it for 31 days, so you have an extra day to learn how to activate it and all that. We give you that extra day as a gift, but in this case it will be activated for an additional 5 days, meaning instead of 31 days, it will be activated for 36 days. Just to let you know, all our product pages have similar information about purchasing with USDT at the bottom. It will be activated for you for 30 days. Usually we activate it for 31 days, so you have an extra day to learn how to activate it and all that. We give you that extra day as a gift, but in this case it will be activated for an additional 5 days, meaning instead of 31 days, it will be activated for 36 days. Just to let you know, all our product pages have similar information about purchasing with USDT at the bottom. If you bought a Pride, click here to proceed. When you enter the Tether purchase section, there's also an educational video I've made that explains the Tether purchase process in detail. You get a 10% discount and an additional 5 days as a gift. You select the robot you want. For example, I want to get Tesla. You write down your first name, last name, and mobile number. I'll provide you with the rules and regulations again. A wallet address will come up for you, along with a QR code and the prices. You can enter the prices at the wallet address that has been provided to you. For example, it might say that the price for 1 month is this much, for 3 months is that much, for 6 months is this much, and for a year is that much. You will make the payment, and if you know how to trade, that's great. If not, it's a very simple process. You complete this payment, and the TradingView ID is also here. You need to fill in your ID here. Your TradingView ID is not your email. The transaction ID will be provided. When you make a Tether transaction, it gives you a unique ID, a transaction ID. If unfamiliar, support will help. Screenshot your Tether payment. Send it. Inform support. It activates. VPN off for Telegram to work. When you make a Tether transaction, it gives you a unique ID, a transaction ID. If unsure, support will help. Send it. Inform support. It activates. VPN off for Telegram to work. For purchasing robots, buy trading assistants and semi-automated ones. These are with blue background. Bank Strategy, Tesla, Team 45, Ichimoku, and orange background. Paris, Tokyo. Algram is not going away anymore. These are the stories we have. We need to light up this silent VPN. These two methods of purchasing the robots that have been activated for you are for the trading assistants and semi-automated ones. Which ones are those? They are the ones with a blue background, like the Bank Strategy, Tesla, Team 45, Ichimoku, and those with an orange background, like Paris and Tokyo. These will be activated in your TradingView. You enter your TradingView chart both on your phone and on your laptop. You have the indicator section. Just click on the indicator here, and an invite-only script will load for you. If you turn on your VPN, it will load faster. The robot you purchased will appear here. For example, I bought the Tesla robot, so I click on Tesla here. Let me just zoom out a bit. This is how the Tesla robot appears on my chart. Is it activated? Reset everything. Now it's Team 45 because I refreshed it. You click on Tesla, and God willing, according to the training, you will see that it gives you signals. It works on any time frame, whether it's Forex or cryptocurrencies. It doesn't matter, for example, XIU. Is it activated? Reset everything. It's Team 45. After refresh, you click on Tesla, and per training, you'll see it gives you signals. It works on any time frame, whether Forex or cryptocurrencies. It doesn't matter. XIU. What can USDT be used for? It can be used for Tesla, right? Let's see. It gives signals for 1 minute, 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you want, based on the product you purchased. If you bought Team 45, you click on it, and it activates. If you bought everything, it will all be activated for you. If you purchase the VIP package, everything will be activated for you. And this way, you can use this product. Make sure to watch the tutorial video. Thank you for your time. What can USDT be used for? It can be used for Tesla, right? For Tesla, you can see it gives signals for 1 minute, 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you want, based on the product you purchased. If you bought Team 45, you click on it and it activates. If you bought everything, it will all be activated for you. If you purchase the VIP package, everything will be activated for you. And this way, you can use this product. Make sure to watch the tutorial video. Thank you for your time. Make sure to watch the tutorial. Thank you for your time. Much appreciated.